today?
Home alone. We had to come to New York and take over. And we flying back to Dallas for this one.
Ev, you're flying home with a dub today.
It's going right to Dub, too. Watch this, watch this. Taking that charter back home, baby.
Y'all flying home with a dub today. Whoa, you're flying home with a dub today.
yeah. How for this?
Home with a dub today.
Yo.
You flying home with a dub today.
Catch it, Dub.
What is this?
A paper plane.
Do I
You're
fly
flying
it?
home with a dub.